It just feels like it's like I walked back into 1983. Up here it just feels like it's like I walked back into 1983. It's crazy.
Feels like
Feedback.
It's like I walked back into 1983.
There's bad feedback.
Yeah, I'm on it.
I walk back into that.
There we go. Anyways, it is so crazy, right? Just that small change is just nuts.
Well, we got a taste of it just the other morning with you with your glasses, right?
Yeah, you know
With your
what's
headset.
all right. You know what's funny with that?
What?
This morning I was like, man, am I gonna use it that much? I probably won't use it that much. I'm like, I don't know, because I've got my other headset and I always bounce
Oh my
between
God,
them.
Coach, you're giving it to me for Christmas.
No,
Oh,
my God, for God's
dude.
sakes. For God's sake. Where's my soundboard when I need it? Let me help you out. Wah, 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 wah. Anyways, so I put it out
Good
there.
job.
I was like, you know what? I'll just sell it. I'm probably not going to use it. I'll just sell it. And then this is how fast and what technology is able to do at this point. So I put it out there for sale. You guys probably didn't see it because it was only up there for about 6 minutes. I was like, oh, I'll sell it. I put it out there. I said, you can't buy it anywhere. It's literally sold out. You'll never get your hands on it. Good luck. Christmas is coming. It's gone. And I put it out there. I said, I bought it less than a week ago. You can buy it for what I paid for it. Then my wife comes up to me and she's like, hey, do you know how to change this filter on the fridge? Which I did, but I'm like, you know what? I want to check out my new headset. Guess what? I put my headset on. I opened up Gemini. It shares the screen, so everything that I'm looking at as I'm walking around the house. I said, hey, Gemini, walk me through how to change this filter. It said, okay, what's your make and model? So I looked in my fridge. I said, here it is. It goes, oh, I see your make and model is a GEKZZ2046734 It goes, this is how you do it. Let me show you a video. I'm like, oh my gosh.
Dude, you're kidding.
I'm not.
What?
All through my headset. I'm like, I'm not selling this. I'm like, I'm not selling this. Like, get out of here.
Wow.
Yep, it walked me through the whole thing, opened up a YouTube video. Ooh, there you go. Here's the video. Click here. Oh, I said, oh, that's cool. I said, well, how much water do I need to dispense after I change it? According to this, and you need to dispense 1.5 gallons of water so that it takes out the air and any impurities. And I'm like, oh my gosh.
So basically, you were Iron Man and Jarvis.
It's 100% what I was. 100%. Is that amazing or what? All through
That's
AR
awesome.
headset in real time.
What world are we living in,
Oh
y'all?
my gosh.
Woo!
It was awesome. I'm not gonna lie, it was awesome. That's why I laughed when I came up here and I fired up the my other system and these monitors. I'm like, oh my gosh. It's so old up here. It's so old technology, right? I've been down there for what, 3 weeks? I'm like, this is so old. So anyways, that's how fast technology moves, ladies and gentlemen. That's why we are always staying on the bleeding edge of technology, right? I always want to make sure we have the latest and greatest of all the things. Did you guys see the whole Elon robot conversation, right? He said he's expecting it now, and I wonder where you heard this first, but he's expecting it to be larger than anything that's ever happened before, larger than iPhones, larger than the internet. They've already got it scheduled to make, what did he say, like 30 million of these robots by what, 2030 or something? 30 million. What did I say was coming years ago? What have I been saying in this room, huh?
You were talking about the bots.
Tesla.
I told you, robots are coming, baby. It's the future. Haven't I been saying it? You always get it here first. You know what? You want to know why? Because Coach is always buying this dumb stuff. This leading technology stuff.
The robots will be doing the trade for us?
Yeah, oh, I'm sure you could, right? Hold on. Check. Let me crank. It's really loud out here. I apologize. Yeah, bots. I'm increasing my volume here, so if I get a little echoey, there's nothing I can do. I got vacuums running literally outside of my office space right here. Me and Pumpkin have trapped ourselves into the office. You got about 4 cleaners running around the house right now. All right, real quick before we get this party started, and Chris, I see your hand up. Give me a minute. I want to thank all my moderators. Is this updated? No, it's not. If I miss any of you moderators, let me know. This might be my old system. So real quick, I want to thank my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Don, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Richard, Doug, Buckle, Chris, James, Eminem, Gilly, and Diesel Dan. Did I miss anybody? I don't think so. I think I might have gotten them all. Like Pokemon, I think I've collected them all.
You did.
Oh, wow. Now, I know Eminem beat me up last time because I didn't have her name on the list, so she was coming at me with the pitchforks and all the things like right out of Frankenstein where they're coming up right to the castle. That's what happened.
Very scary. You're right.
That's what happened. She got the crew together, pitchforks, knives, right? It was, I had to fix that ASAPs.
You don't want no problems with Maria.
Nope, I ain't
I'll
doing
bring
it.
the bears. Just ask Bruno.
Nope, I ain't about that life. I choose life. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. We honor and respect you every day here. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Oh, wow. We were right on cue. You couldn't have timed that any better. You could not have timed that any better. Am I right? Come on. It was like a soundboard.
He was on cue.
Oh my gosh. When you
Good job.
when you guys go back and you watch this replay 67,000 times to get better at training and education by going over to our YouTube channel and quickly typing in American Dream Trading and watching all the replay videos so that you get better, you will see that the timing was perfect. It's perfect. Chris, you got your hand up.
Breath next time.
Yes, Chris, you got your hand. I feel like Mark over here. Mark, Mr. Talky Talk, and never takes a damn pause. Am I right?
Endless breath.
Oh my gosh. That's why he's so good, right? He's the host with the most.
Absolutely.
Might not be able to get in a word, but there's no dead air when Mark's on. There will never be silence.
As long as he stays
Only when he
awake.
takes his 7-second cat naps.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, as long as he's awake, he's on point for sure. Absolutely.
Only person I know can fall asleep talking.
Right. This camera's off. I've got different cameras that are up here from usual, but hopefully they're okay. I know the green screen's a little off.
Recording in
Oh,
progress.
thank you. I know
Recording stopped.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you want to do the cloud on that one. Did you get it? Let me do it.
Recording in
All right,
progress.
thank you. You got it. Yeah, because I'm not sure if this one's set up properly. Remember, I've got the older system up here, and I haven't gone through all the bugs on this one yet. So, thank you. Chris, you got your hand up. Go ahead, partner.
I was just going to let you know I did the Tradeify yesterday.
Yes. And how was it? Was it easy? Did you get the code in? Did it discount it and it was easy to get in and all the things?
Oh, yeah. Easy to set up. I've got it on TradingView, and it's working great.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's how I've got mine. I've got it set directly into TradingView. It's actually really nice, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. It's easy to work.
In case you guys didn't know, we have partnered with another US-based amazing prop firm company, Tradeify. If you guys use our discount code ADT every time you purchase, you will get a better price than anything out there. Always use the discount code ADT when you go in there. It will always beat the price that they have. We have a better price for being a partner than you can use on anything. So always use the code. So if you guys reset, use the code. If you click back over to the site and you want to look at it, use the code. It's ADT. Got it? Good. So that's pretty exciting. I did post that again this morning. It looks like we've had 5 of our members so far sign up for it because I can see every time somebody signs up. So congratulations to the 5 of you I'm interested to see how it goes, how you liked it, how it went, when you guys get your payouts. I'm excited to hear about all your payouts, the certificates for completing things, if you had to actually complete one, or if you went right into the lightning, which means you can bypass that whole simulation period and just start getting paid right away. All the things. Nice. I see Mark's already over there making money on his Tradeify account. I think he was up, what was it, $2,000 as of this morning or last night. He created an account, said, boom, there's $2,000. Nice. That's nice. That's how you started out. Am I right? Not too bad. Just like that. Ding. That's nice. I got you. Okay. Thank you, Doug. I see that. Just start putting in Tradeify. Just say go to the website, Tradeify, use code ADT, right? Because they'll be able to key it in. Yeah. Thank you. Good to know, though.
I figured as soon as I saw that, I was like, eh.
Yeah, good to know. I'd rather us not get flagged over it, right?
I don't want to get paid again.
Not again. Oh, my gosh. What did we lose last time? Almost 50,000 followers by that account?
It was a ton.
Yeah, it was like
an absolute ton.
46,000 or something.
Yeah.
Crazy.
And they've been throttling us on this account for a while. So.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, absolutely. By the way, I wanted to thank everybody. I don't think I did. I don't know if you guys know or not, but we're at 70,000 followers over on our TikTok channel. So thank you. Appreciate you. You like that? This is my high budget clap machine because I don't have my Stream Deck set up in front of me. I'm going old school. I know. High budget. Bob, you got your hand up. Go ahead. Bobby Boucher, go ahead. You're on with the coach.
Hey, can I ask you a question real quick?
There's
In
nothing
Webull-
There's nothing I would like to do more than that, Bob, while we're getting going.
In Webull, if I want to use a trend channel,
Oh boy.
do I have to change the trend channel every time it changes direction?
I've never used a trend channel in Webull. You can
No, I know I've seen Palm use it. I kind of like it because it's kind of like you have in TradingView, except for I never open up TradingView, so it gives you a median, it gives you a high or low.
Gasp. Did everybody hear that? Oh my God. Bob, I'm going to have to put you in a timeout. You are in a timeout. What do you mean you don't ever have TradingView open? Do you not have the TradingView indicators?
I do, but I don't pay for TradingView, so it only gives me the certain ones.
Oh, I just can't.
So that's why I was just trying to incorporate it in
cannot
Webull.
listen to you any longer, Bob. For $15 a month, you do not have the TradingView indicators of why do we spend hundreds of hours on programming to make sure you have the latest great technologies. It's $15 a month, Bob. It costs less than your lunch will cost.
Oh God, Bob. Just
Go eat a steak,
just come to
coach.
me, dude.
Go eat a
I'm
steak.
coming to your house,
Bob,
Bob.
just do it.
Bob,
Just do it,
I'm
Bob.
coming to your house. But seriously, Bob, I've never used it. You want to know why? Because I have TradingView indicators that we have designed and developed after me being in the stock market for over 33 years. We have spent hundreds of hours in programming and back testing to make sure you have the latest and greatest in technology so that you don't have to try to figure out what the hell to do in Webull. That's great. Love your face. I really don't know. Ask the group when we're done because I'm never gonna have any of that on my
Plus,
Webull
Bob,
chart
in that-
ever. Ever.
Plus,
That will
Bob, in
never
the indicators
ever
you
that will
have
never
pre-market
be
high,
there.
low, etc.
Yeah, that will never, ever, 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 ever be on my trading chart, right? Because I am actively, and that's because I'm inside of this room, and I don't want you guys having 18 million things up on your screen. You guys can use it, but I don't want my screen all convoluted. But I honestly, I don't know. You probably do have to manually do it. I would assume it's some sort of like manual bars you guys are putting or something. I don't know.
No.
I don't know. For anybody else who's listening, use the TradingView indicators. That'd be great. Yeah.
I don't have them. They don't sell them separate, right, Coach?
That is correct.
Not separate, right? You
That
don't
is-
have them like.
That is absolutely
No?
correct.
Okay.
Yep. We will see you over. Now, listen, you can get it with futures. VIP or a diamond membership.
Or diamond.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Appreciate you.
Thank you.
Yeah, listen, we did it for a while. Like I was actually selling it as a standalone, but the problem is people were trying to use that as your training. That's not training, right? These are not buy and sell signals. Even though we have a lot of that stuff built in, that's not what this is for. It's to help guide you while you're getting training. So people are like, I'm just going to skip the training and use the thing and blow up and lose all my money. So I said, you know what? We're not doing it. This isn't a cash grab over here. I don't know if you guys have noticed that or not yet. I do not put things here just to make money. Would I make more money just selling everybody, right? Trading view indicators? Yep. Because I could literally sell it to everyone, everywhere, millions, right? And just be like, just buy this, right? Could lie to you like everybody else. Get our buy and sell signals. You shut the hell up. You shut up. Right? We ain't doing that. We're not playing that game. You want to know why we are the most successful trading community the world has ever seen before? Because we don't have that kind of dumbass shit here. Am I right, ladies and gentlemen?
Did you actually teach us something?
Yeah, I teach you, right? If I'm not here live one day, you're like, well, I know. Coach already said you do this and it does that. I'm looking for that A+ setup. It's going to go here, and this is what it is. And I can't believe it. Oh, my gosh, this is amazing. Right? That's why we do what we do. That's why we're different. It's funny. I saw somebody yesterday over on the X, and kudos to them, right, for doing well, which is amazing. They're like, they made $500K on a prop firm, and then the next day they made $500K, right? So they're like trending on X. I'm like, I got people doing millions per day, right? Like, it's just, this is a weird world we live in, gang. You know what I mean? I'm just like, we are in such a different realm than every other trading community or traders that have ever lived before. We're doing hundreds of millions, and people over there are just going right out of their skin, like freaking out when somebody has. I'm like, we do that stuff literally every day. I think we're at 7 or 8 million so far this week. Do you guys know that? This week.
I think you're way past that.
Oh yeah. Oh, there you go. Oh boy. Well, no.
Yeah.
Wow.
You heard it. You heard
Hey,
it right
Coach.
there. You heard it. You heard it here first, ladies and gentlemen. I love it.
And he
Yeah.
said way past
Way. Oh, I love it. That's what we
I had
do.
it by $212.
That is awesome. That is awesome.
Good job, Harlow.
Yes.
Coach,
Yes, tell me.
I just looked in Weeble under the indicators for dumbass shit, and no, we don't have it.
You hear that? We don't have any dumbass shit.
That's a DOS chart.
Yeah, that's what I was just going to say. You beat me to it. I was thinking this. I was like, D? No, wait a minute. He said ass and the A, and then you were like, bam. We don't have the DOS chart. We're not using that indicator. Okay? I love that. Nice job. Nice job, team. Where's my soundboard? Damn it. Yeah, I need the good stuff, man. Wait. Oh my. What do you mean it's unavailable? Where is it? Oh boy. No. Hold on. I got you. Hold on. Wait a minute. Wait. Like that? Huh? This high budget production? You like the way I got you guys' back about 37 minutes after the fact? You guys get the claps for it? Huh? You like that?
You're on it.
Only one place you can get that.
Thank you. That's right. You can scoop up your DOS indicators, right? And a 37-minute delayed sound effect for such an amazing job that everybody here did on our team. Thank you. Appreciate you. It's like a foreign film we used to watch. So we used to, right, when we do like Kung Fu on Saturdays, then we'd go and we'd watch Kung Fu movies, right? That's what just happened. That is exactly what happened. You guys just got that big old dubbed in delay. Am I right?
Yep.
Now, if you guys were paying attention big time, did you guys just notice that I did the dub delay? Huh? Like, come on. Come on.
Did you do it?
I did.
Did you do it?
I'm showing them live.
Oh, got you. I got you.
Yeah. Oh my
You can see his
gosh.
mouth moving a mile a minute, and the sound comes in like 10 minutes later.
Right? Isn't that
I
amazing?
love it.
Huh?
It is. It is.
Yeah, I know. That's what we do here. No, I wasn't a band kid. I should have been obviously a drama kid, right? One of the arts and crafts kids, the way that we're running
time?
this show.
In band camp? One
Yep.
time?
Yep. All right. Everybody's like, shut up, old man. Start calling out stocks. Okay, listen. I hear you. It's Friday. Take it easy on the old man, right? This was a long week. I've done so many one-on-ones, mentorships. I had like 4 meetings, training, dentist appointments. I went down to the courthouse for all of my pew pew carry stuff around here, all the stuff, all the things. Like, man, it has been a busy week. Am I right? Everybody else like, what are you talking about? All we've been doing is making money. Okay, listen, for me, it was a very crazy, cram-packed, busy week. I told my wife this morning, I'm like, I feel like I got hit by a truck today. Like, literally feel like I got hit by a truck. Oh, by the way, all I had to do down there for the pew pew is just turn in 1 piece of paper. It's just from Michigan to Virginia. I had a really old one. So that's all it is. Oh, all right. It's 9:23. We got about 6 minutes left to rock and roll. Listen, if this is your first time being here, by the way, my name is Chad, aka the Coach. I've been trading in the stock market for a little while. We've been doing the things. We've got a lot of people in here. We may or may not have trained over 1 million people, made over hundreds of millions of dollars, retired hundreds of people. We may or may not have done any of that. You know, you may or may not have witnessed 14 brand new millionaires since we've been here for 3 years. We may or may not have broken 2 world records since we've been here. One is single day trade, one longest retail trader without having a single red day. We might have broken some world records while we were in the process. We might have made well over $7 million this week for our trading community. May or may not. Could be snake oil. I don't know. We may or may not have those DOS indicators. No, we don't. We don't have those. Nope. No soup for you. But listen, we're going to have an amazing day. It's Friday. I feel like I got ran over. I don't know how long I'm going to be here. I probably will not be here very long. You want to know why? Because I'm the boss and I don't have to ask how long I need to be here. So when I get done, I am out. Love your faces. Everybody's going to have an amazing day. Nobody go rogue. Everybody follow the rules. Remember, never lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value in any given day. Make sure you have your stop losses on each and every trade. Make sure you guys are paper trading, simulate trading while you are here and while you are training. Do not trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. That is the most volatile time of the day. Make sure you guys journal every single day. It is imperative to what you are doing. Make sure you guys go in with small position sizes. This will allow the runners to run and stop out the losers. Don't be a loser. Make sure you have your stop losses in place. If you guys are also new, please look at shares instead of stocks, options, futures, cryptos, and all the other stuff, right? Stick around. We are here 3 times every single day live. I'm here typically from 9 to 11. Mark's here from 2 to 4. And then Dawn is in the aftermarket show from 4 to 6. So 6 hours a day for you to get your training and education on from what I believe is the greatest trainers and traders this world has ever seen before. If you guys are futures traders, again, we have partnered with Tradeify. You can go to their website, put in the discount code ADT, and get a massive discount. I don't know if you guys know this or not too, but if you have one of those memberships with them, which is like a monthly or whatever, you guys can join their Grand Cup, which is like a $2 million giveaway. It's got like $2 million in prizes. I think the grand winner's like $200,000. Don't quote me if I'm wrong, but if you go over to Tradeify right now, if you don't have a membership, it's $35. You get 3 resets. They start you with a 50K simulated account, and the only rule is not to lose X amount of dollars, which I believe is $2,000 is their drawdown, their daily drawdown for it. And it's make as much money as you can. And then they have elimination rounds. You can reset it 3 times, right? So if you guys are interested, yeah, check it out. Thank you, Blanco says I signed up for the 150K. Yeah, absolutely. Yep, that's what I have. That's what Mark has, the 150K accounts. We have the Lightning ones, so we can literally bypass the whole simulated, very beginning, and then you've got to pay an activation fee to. We just skipped all that. Like here, Lightning, we're already in. We're good to go. Go make money. Bye, right? Do the things. So remember, though, listen, with the prop firms, this isn't a cash grab again. Well, of course, I get a percentage of everything you guys buy. I don't want you guys treating it like a casino. Don't do that. I don't want you creating bad habits, right? Just because you can reset it for, $50 every time you reset it, and then you get like $50,000 again. Please don't do that. I want you guys to actually use it for training, following the rules, sticking to their guidelines, right? Making sure, because it's going to teach you patience. It's going to teach you following rules, which all we do in here is risk management. So again, I will never, want you to treat that as a casino. Don't be reloading it all the time. And I know it's fun and it doesn't cost as much and, all the things. And I talked to my moderators about it. I would rather you guys are spending, though, like $50 a month on something like that than you blowing up $500, $5,000, $50,000 of a real cash account, right? But again, in the beginning, I'd rather you just paper trade it and didn't use anything. But again, if you want to use the prop firm and you want the advantage of using their money basically to do it, just please follow the rules, man. Don't be blowing up your accounts. I know every time you guys hit reset, I'll make like $6. I don't care about that. That's not why I'm doing this, right? Yeah, and you can have up to 5 accounts and you can copy trade them, which is amazing. So think about it. If you made $2,000 on one of the accounts and you copy traded across 5, guess what you just made today? $10,000, right? So again, though, please, it's not gambling. Don't do that. When you guys sign up for Tradeify using the discount code ADT, please follow the rules. I don't want you guys getting into bad habits. Okay? Okay, great. Thank you. I want that disclaimer all the time. So every time you're thinking about it, whether you use that prop firm or whatever, just not a casino. Don't be fools. I need you guys to pay attention. All right. Thank you. Love your faces. All right. 5 seconds to the bell. 5 seconds to the bell. Hold on. Let's see if I can get us there. Yay! All right, here we go. Now, of course, I will be trading with a live real account in front of your faces, as I always do. Getting a nice pullback here right out of the gate. Wow, Coach, can you have any more lines on your screen? Bye. Here's a level. There's a level. There's a level. There's a level. And there. Okay, done charting. All right. That was fun. That was hard. Took about 8 seconds. Okay. SPY right there. That's nice. Right there. Okay, thanks. All right. SPY, we're looking for support right here at 667. If you can't hold 667, we're going to run that. Yeah. Oh, it's breaking through right now. Nice. Nicey nice. Good job. There's your support. Let's see. On SPY, it's showing 666.50. Anybody have the next support level for it? Anybody? Bueller?
666.10.
Oh, good. Okay, thank you. Marked it. Nice, nice. Market is down again today. If you guys remember, I told you several days ago, right? There's no catalyst for the market. Anticipate these pulls. I told you, right? Clearly to Hedge your accounts. Didn't I say that? Okay, great. Good job. If you listened to me, great. If you didn't, well, you're suffering.
Palantir, NAMD, big green candles.
Oh, thank you. Let's take a peek. Oops. If I could type, that would be great. There we go. Yep, Palantir to the upside. Okay, thank you. Apple 2-minute EWO is to the downside right out of the gate. We're getting a bounce. Now, Bob, if you were using your regression channels on your 2-minute EWO, we could see right where this is all at, right? You betcha, Bob. All right. Starting to get a little bit of a pullback here again. It's trying to break through. You can see mine tap the 9. That would have been a great entry point for that short, but I missed it because I was talking. There it is again. See if I can catch a little bit of that one. There it goes. Little dab will do ya. Didn't make much money on that. Only blinked about $250, but I probably got $50 of that one because I was just protecting the trade. SPY still crashing out. SPY still to the downside, ladies and gentlemen. Do you see it? Okay, great. Good job.
Yes, coach.
Ah, damn it. Got to get this. I got to give this some more space. Need the space. All right. Keep stalling out at this spot, so I will mark this. Obviously, this is support for mine. Now, remember, I'm trading something completely different than what I'm calling out. If you guys see any runners, hot stock pick or otherwise, or anything on a 2-minute EWO, I want to know it on the first indicator, please. If you see it, that'd be great. Thank you. Thank you for all those new follows and likes. I appreciate that. Don't forget, we're live also over on YouTube and Twitch. It's just if you guys are watching for free on our streamed areas, you guys have about a 10-second delay. So you're going to miss pretty much every live thing that happens in here. You could join us for free. Go to our website, American Dream Trading. Get over there right now. Sign up. It's absolutely free. You guys can also get free 1-week pass. Crypto, options, shares, futures, all the thing. After the 1 week, it will renew at its regular rate. Free. I said free. That's nice.
I think you said free.
I did. 100% free.
Free.
Free. There we go. That's the pull I was looking for. That's nice. That's $600. I'll take it. Yay. Wait a minute. Wait. Yay. $600 in under 2 seconds. Anybody else like to make $600 in under 2 seconds with the market only being open 5 minutes and 45 seconds? Anybody in the room?
584.
Boom.
Yes, please.
Anyone?
Boom.
Anyone?
Boom. Oh, look at this sweet nectar. Sweet nectar. That's nice. What an amazing pull here. So nice. There it goes. There's another hundy. There's $200. Thank you. Do I hear 300? There's 235. There's 300. Thank you. I'll take another $300. That's nice. 330. Do I hear 400? Yeah, there it is. $400. Do I hear 5? Do I hear 5? There's $500. Thank you. That's nice, coach. You're a real good trader. There's 575. Sold. Thank you. Please hold your applause till after the show. Thank you. Don't forget to tip your moderators today. That'd be great. Speaking of that, thank you, Chad and Todd, for both sending some love to the coach. I appreciate your tips today. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Spy still crashing out to the downside. Anybody still on this Spy? Okay, great. Glad to hear it. Glad to hear it. You guys.
Russell.
Oh,
Thank you,
there you
Coach.
go. Nice job. Good job. Good job. Nice. By the way, you want to know how our members knew when to get in, even though you didn't hear me say nothing? Because we walk them through the pre-Marcus setup. It gives them the key critical areas that you will use at the bell and throughout the day. That's nice. Nicey nice. I love the way you guys roll. You guys are amazing. Where is my YouTubes? I am missing. Sorry, I'm missing a window. Bear with me. I'm using this old technology from 3 weeks ago. You like the way I said that? Yeah, you did. Hold on.
Love the coach.
I know it's so old. Remind me today to. Sorry, I'm missing a window. Bear with. Remind me today to order new monitors. New monitor. I only need one instead of 800 monitors like I have up here. One. Super chats are available. If you guys want to shout out for yourself, a loved one, business, anything you want. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge, wink, wink. Millions of people will be seeing these videos. These are live. They get recorded. They're everywhere. Appreciate you. All right. Looks good. Looks good. What am I missing? Nope. Okay. Looks good. Carry the 2. All right. We're good. All right. How we doing, everybody? We still in this trade? Is everybody okay? You hanging in there? Anybody nervous? Anybody got sweaty palms and your knees are weak? Tell me.
I do.
Thank you. I do.
Amen.
Thank you.
Nope.
Me too.
Yes, I know you do, because you guys are seeing this continuing to drop. So you guys are really freaking out about how much money you're making. Am I right?
I got vomit on my sweater already.
Yes, sir.
From your mom's spaghetti? That's nice. That's nice. Good job. All right, I can see Apple had that nice bounce up here now on a double top for Apple off the pre-market area. SPY still continuing to crash. Please tell me you guys are still making a buttload of cash. Collect as you go. Remember, shed as it goes or on pullbacks. There goes your double top pullback on Apple. Just called out less than 10 seconds ago. Am I right? Goodness.
First indicator for Intel to the downside.
Boom. Great call out. My gosh. Who was that masked man?
It was Matt.
Matt, that was such a beautiful call out. You get yourself a sticker. Hold on. Hold on. Right here. Make sure you head to the merch store. Type in, Coach said I could have a free sticker. I want to get it right now. I'm typing this in so that the moderators can see it, so that I can get that sticker sent overnight, airmailed right to my house, so that I can then put it on my front door so that everybody in the world can see where I'm getting all of my training and profits from. Did you get that? That's the code you have to use. Did you get it?
I'll grab it on the replay.
Okay, thank you. Matt's going to use that simple, easy to enter code. And then we'll set you up with something real nice. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate you. Thank you all for being here. Thank you. That's nice. Thank you. Appreciate that.
Somebody's got a new toy.
I know. That's my new sound clapper I had to pull off of the YouTubes because my damn soundboard This has got all the generic stuff on it. Goodness gracious. All right. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got over here. SPY moving back up to the 9. Did anybody catch that Apple? Excuse me. Where I called the double top A+ setup on Apple over there? Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. I like it. I like where your heads are at. Remember, wait for those nice A+ setups. Okay, you don't need to make 800,000 trades per day. Look for a good setup. Thank you. Where are all my Twitch people at? Why do I don't even know if why are we streaming to Twitch? Twitch, where are you at? Twitch. I think's dying over there. Twitch is just dying. Does anybody watch Twitch anymore, or is it just gone to straight up just watching girls be cute? What do they call it now? I forgot what they call it now. Like live something. Like they just sit around and you know, there's no more gaming or nothing on Twitch. What do they call it?
OnlyFans.
Nah. They call it, it's like it's live events, or I don't know what they call it anymore. It's like a category, right? I don't know. I don't know. The only OF
Like IRL?
The only OF we got over here that you guys should be tuned into is the Only Fat Guys. That's me, right? The OFG, Only Fat Guy. Make sure you turn into the OFG.
Oh my God, that's awesome.
There's our next million, coach.
Oh, I love
there.
it. Right there, marketing. That's all we do, right? Make sure you head to the OFG and get your DOS indicators, your dumbass shit.
Brand creation right in your face.
Oh, man. You guys are watching how we churn the butter right here live. You know what I'm saying?
Duh.
Da boot. That's nice. IWM making a bounce. I'm kind of looking around here, see what's going on. Okay, Microsoft popped at the open and then crashed out. Let me check the Qs. Qs also crashed out, hit 603.69. Found support, bounced up to the 9, but it's still overall to the downside. Overall market still to the downside. Remember, if you try to go against the grain, please be careful. Don't try to guess bottom. Do not try to guess bottom. Do not try to guess top. You understand? Okay, good. As soon as you start playing that guessing game, right, and you get that hopeism garbage, you're going to run into a world of problems. Am I right?
Yeah, that's me.
Yep, let's not do that.
Or assume the direction for the day.
Yes, yes. Check that bias crap at the door, right? Yeah, the bias trading will get you into nothing but trouble. And in a hurry.
And what about guessing around Viva?
Yes, absolutely.
I mean, what do I do here around Viva on SPY?
You wait. What you think you do? Nobody trades at VWAP. We wait a second and wait to see what it wants to do, right? Have to be patient. Waiting right here.
What are you waiting for?
Waiting for it to clear out of this area. See the 21 right here?
Yes.
This is still considered VWAP if you're watching SPY, right? A little bit of a pull right here. There we go. There's $580. There's $800. There's $1,000. Boom, I'll take it. That's what you're waiting for. You understand me? Woo!
I was too scared to push.
Oh my gosh. You like that? Huh? You like that? Yeah, you did. Better be told. Don't forget, this is Recommit November. How many of you in the last, because we've only been doing this for 3 days, I don't give a crap before. How many of you have gone out and told 3 people about American Dream Trading this week? Don't you lie to me. Don't you lie. Don't. Okay, thank you. Don't you lie to me. 3 people.
I was
You are
telling
going to
everybody
tell.
yesterday.
Thank you. You tell everybody every day, though.
Oh yeah, well we're out of town for our wedding anniversary, so we were winery hopping, and
Oh,
people are
nice.
like, well, what do you do for you to be able to be here on a Thursday afternoon?
Oh, I love it. Yes. Oh, I love it. A
the
live
broker
Do it
testimonial.
again today, and I'm proud to say my streak is alive. I
Yes.
took a couple of trades, but the internet's kind of crappy over here at the Airbnb.
Yeah.
But I'm green $1.69 today.
Oh, wow. Good for you.
I'm like, nah, the fills were sitting there,
Yep.
and I didn't like it, so I'm not trusting it.
Yep. Good job.
I need to get a steer link like Mark
That's
and
right.
travel with it.
That's right. We'll have to send you one now wherever you go, right?
Yeah, not gonna risk it.
Nope. RD, you got your hand up. Now, you guys know we normally don't do questions until after 10 o'clock, right? Unless
Yes, sir. And it's not a question.
Oh, okay, go ahead.
Something stupid. I hired a company that sends volume to your website, and I paid them to send a bunch of volume, but we'll never know if it comes from here or not.
Oh, nice. Well, thank you very much for doing that, man. I appreciate that. I'll actually see it. I'm using Microsoft Clarity on the back end. So I can actually tell when I have an increase in volume or when people are doing what. I actually get screen recordings of what people do when they go to my website, like where they click and where they go and how long they stay on the site. I have all that on the back end. So we'll see. Thank you for that. Appreciate you. That's awesome.
Every broker I talk to is Schwab, Coach.
Thank you. Yeah, the brokers, they'd have no clue. They're like, what? What do you mean you guys are making hundreds of millions of dollars? What the hell you do? All right, 15 seconds on this candle. Notice it's still at VWAP. Does anybody notice this? This is why I tell you to leave it alone, right? Look at that, 666.10. Isn't that exactly where Palm had us mark it? That was to the penny, right?
Yes, sir.
Yep, to the penny.
First stall point and first resistance.
Yep. Crazy thing is, it's just in this perfect little channel. It hits 664, like, what is this, 80? And then drives up to 666.10. It's crazy, right? Look at that. Every time. Every time. Tesla still to the downside. All right. Is this going to stall at the 9? This would be a change. It did. I'll try it right there.
But it is to the downside still. So
Yep.
under VWAP.
Right. It stalled right on the 9. I took a shot at it. Didn't work out.
Yeah, it tricked you, didn't it?
Yeah, it did. I'm going to let it come back up to that 666.10 like it's been doing. I tried it, though. A little dab will do you.
Mm-hmm.
We got to be careful of a restoration candle now.
Yep, I agree. I've got my stop, so if it does try that stunt. See, it did it again. It hit VWAP right there this time and pulled back.
Is that restoration candle because of so much of the
It's just
volume coming in?
consolidating. Just from the consolidation. Yep.
Yeah, institutions might YOLO it to try to see if they can redirect it.
Correct. And then it'll hit everybody on its way up. Still waiting. I mean, it's still in the same channel, right? 660, 481, or 80 to 660, 610, right?
Yep.
I've missed it like 17 times. The one time I'll do it, I'm like, okay, now I'm going to do it. And then it'll pop through it. Right? It'll be the one time when I finally decide, okay, I'm going to short the top of the channel and then it'll blow through. See, like it's doing now. That's why I didn't do it this time. Like it's done it too many times. It's touched too many times, right?
Apple's got its first green EWO.
Thank you.
That's where Spire rips my face off right there when I get around that VWAP and I'm thinking, man, it's going the other way.
Right.
And what does it do?
Trying to see if it's going to get it. What right here? I'm waiting to see right here to see if it's going to get that big push now. If not, we're just going to collapse to new lows. Yep.
Even with the wicks on the top, you think it could go up, Coach?
Oh, that's what I mean, I went for it. I tried it. But like I said, it can't hold here. Should get a nice crash out. So I tried to long it, couldn't hold. Now I just shorted the hell out of it. See if we can get this push. I want to see new low a day now, right? Because it tried to wick up their high. Everybody was sitting there. Stops are just too tight. I got to open this up. So since we're just doing this small, weird little channel stuff, here's what I would recommend if you're scalping. Small position size, larger stop, right? Small position, larger stop. So you can work through this channel, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I'm soaking in everything you're saying, so yeah, I got you.
Yep, because I got chopped up 3 times off that little tiny stuff when I should have went one here and then really open this thing up, because I'd still be in the same trade, right? Instead of 3 chopped up trades, I'd still be in one waiting. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Let it
in a smaller position so it doesn't kill you.
That's right. Yeah, small position, then you can open it up a bit, right? I mean, this is still VWAP. Notice it has never left this spot.
It's like they're just trying to sucker me in right there, man.
Yeah, I know. I know it. I'm waiting for this knife to drop any moment.
Well, we know we should wait and let it decide what it's going to do because we don't have to trade right this second. You know what I mean? That's my mindset.
I do. Otherwise, what you can do is what Palm's probably doing now is either every candle or what I'm doing on this too, right? Is I can wait for it to get almost to the next candle, wait to see if the candle's going to be on that high or low area, and then I can long it or short it. Because, right, if think about this. If this is the candle move from here to here, right? I can buy it, right? I can short it here or I can long it here, and I can make the price from here to here, and this is my profit.
Which is what I really try to do anyway. I mean, that's how quick I like to get in and out.
Yep. Now look at that. That's a good candle to the upside. See that? But if it can't break,
it's above.
Yep. But if it can't break this area, this what is this? 660.50 basically. If it can't break that area, it's trash, right? So here's what we have, ladies and gentlemen. We're sitting above everything. This is where you're going to get your faces ripped off. If it can't break 660, 650, this will be making new low a day. And here's the problem. Everybody's starting to go long right here, right? Everybody's loading the boat for long. See it?
Yeah.
It's only going to take one large seller, though, to knock the dirt right off your face. Let it break 666.50 and hold for that long happens. Because we're still in a downside momentum.
The wick stopped right on the 50 mark.
Yep.
On the 2-minute, coach, it's just trying to break and hold the 21.
Is it right? Okay, thank you. That's a good candle. It's a good candle. Let's see. Now this one I'm going to open up. There we go. There we go. Come on. Now this time I opened it up. Went in smaller, opened it up because I need to let this thing, if it's going to chop, let it go. Wait for it to get that clearance, and then I'll move it. There we go. 340. Come on, push. Come on. There we go. 390. That's better. There we go. That's the push. 500. I'll take it. It was about $300 gain. That's a better candle though for me. Thank you. Yeah, this is shouldering nice and easy, right? Higher, 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 higher. See it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where you want to be.
Coming up to your resistance here at 666.85.
Yep, 667 will be the next.
Coach, IWM is actually on the third 2-minute EWO, but it is right at the 200.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Let me take a look. Yeah, I see it. It's getting there, isn't it? Pre-market low we're coming up on. Okay. Oh, there it went. Let me look. I need to look at this chart. Hold on. Oh, it is. Okay, yeah, it's coming up. Now, Bob. Bob, I caught that last second because I saw my 2-minute EWO indicator. It said, Coach, you're rolling up on the pre-market low, which I didn't even know that.
That's what I was trying to tell you, Coach.
Yep, pre-market low was right here, right?
That's it. I'm buying another monitor.
Love your face. But seriously, I wouldn't have known that if I didn't have that up there. And I just went, oh, crap. And I was trying to long it, right? I was like, oh, no. But yeah, I keep Weeble in the front.
That's what I was saying. You're coming up to that resistance right there.
Yeah, but resistance is just a level. If you would have said you're coming up to pre-market low, I would have said, oh, crap, right?
I'll clarify next
Yeah, that's
time. My fault.
Yeah, that's okay. That's just, it's a big, big, big difference, right? Remember, we marked pre-market high, pre-market low, previous day high, previous day low. Those are the large ones, right?
Shift change.
Thank you. Volume. Volume coming in.
Michigan consumer sentiment was under forecasted, but above 50.
All right, thank you. It's supposed to be 40.
Once again, we're just crossing over people.
Yep, so it's just crashing out here.
Oh, this is nice.
Yep, big old drop.
I wasn't a believer in the hold.
Yeah, I know, right? It's still downside momentum.
It's like yesterday when it got crawled above you off for a little bit, and I was like, ah, yeah.
Yep. Yep, they're like, I'm gonna load the boat. Boom.
What a good play right there that would be.
Yeah, right off that pre-market low, right? Yeah, that's nice. So nice. Don't forget, today would be your perfect day to head on over and get that Diamond Lifetime membership for $5K. We can also set that up in a couple of payments if you want to do a payment plan. Thank you, Scott. Scott says, I told 2 people this week. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. It makes it easy, too, when we have that free membership to try us out, right? Proof's in the pudding. Get them in the door. I used to say that to my sales guys all the time when I owned my IT companies, right? I'd say, get me in the door. It's a done deal. I don't give a shit how many board members, if it's a billion, billionaires club, I don't care about any of that. Put me in the room and it's a done deal. I'm like, oh, okay, sure. And then bam!
Give me the ball, coach.
Yeah, I'm serious, man.
Give me the rock.
Yep. I'm not playing. I'm not playing.
In my
any
deal, we
games.
use price leaders.
Yep. Yeah, I'm not playing.
Apple breaking through a double top.
Thank you.
You never know what one more person can say, Coach. 15 solicitors said we did everything we could. I picked up the phone, got in the appointment, got the boss in there.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Yep, I agree. I agree. I remember I had one stalemate sales guy, just off topic. I know it's after 10 o'clock, so don't beat me up. But I had one sales guy, and I was paying the guy like $70,000 a year plus commission, right? So it would have easily been, $2 and a quarter a year, sitting there forever, 6 months stalemate, just keeps taking everybody to lunch, doing the things, all the stuff. I said, dude, you got to get the ball rolling. What are you waiting? Oh, I can't close the deal. Nothing's happening. I fired his ass, and within 1 week, I was able to land 7 of his clients paying. I'm like, what were you doing? Right? Done. We all know what he was doing. He was milking the clock and taking everybody golfing and going out to eat on my dime, right? We know what he was doing. Yeah. Homie, don't play that. Like, get out of the way then if you're not going to do anything, right?
You're just burning stuff.
Yeah,
Burning
you're
leads.
just wasting time. And you know what was stupid about it is he would get paid recurring revenue on everything forever, right? It wasn't a first-time sale, which I changed later because then I discovered that people would get fat and lazy. They'd land a couple of whales. They didn't have to sell anymore because everything coming in, they get a piece of it, right? That makes them lazy too. Well, but we have to monitor the client. No, you don't. You don't do shit. You don't do a damn thing. Yeah, I've been through all that stuff, right? I've been doing this 30 years. All ends, business ownership, all the thing. Hundreds of people. Yep.
And not presuming that a lead is a lead. When they give you a lead, you don't question it. You just go do your job.
Yeah, just take care of business, especially if it's a warm lead. That should be a no-brainer, right? Close it. What's the problem? What's going on, right? What's the roadblock? What are we waiting for? What can we do to make sure that this works out for both of us, right? Like there should be no barrier at all. Notice everybody in the room and you're like, hey, coach, can I do this? Absolutely. Well, coach, how about this? Can I make that in these payments? Of course. There should be no barrier to entry at all. Am I right? Fix it.
Right.
Find a way. Fix it. What are you doing? Fix it. You got a problem? Fix it. We should be solution providers, not problem takers. No, you have a problem, you fix it. Don't sit there on your ass doing nothing about it. Can you guys tell, though, why this kid from Flint with no education, grew up in the ghetto with nothing, was able to be successful? Because I don't do that. I don't do that. There's always a way. Am I right, ladies and gentlemen?
Yep, you don't presume what's in front of you.
Just get it done. Find a way. Fix it. Find the solution. Yes.
Just want to say love your face, man.
Love your face, brother. Some of you guys resonate with that, don't you? Right?
For 5 years, almost 4 years now.
Yep. Some of us are just built different.
Coach,
Yes.
BKYL.
Oh, there it goes. Okay, thank you, partner. Oh, I got a terrible fill, but I still got a piece. Wow, that was a nasty fill. Look at that. Bottom fell right out of that bad boy, didn't it?
Filled the channel.
Yep, that's a double bottom bounce right there. Be careful, Palm and everybody else. 664.35, okay? Collect some, and then if it breaks.
But how many minutes ago did you tell us it was going to do this, Coach?
Yeah, absolutely. That's why I said I don't buy, just like Palm said too, right? I don't buy this upside swing crap. All it would take is a big seller to come in here, right? Knock the dirt off your face. Isn't that exactly what I said? Coach, I don't have dirt on my face. You can't knock it off. Okay, you know what I'm saying. Come on.
That's when everybody's supposed to go, yes, sir.
Yeah, that's all right. They're in a trade. They're making money, and I appreciate it. I like it.
Are we looking for the flip to the?
Yeah, we're just seeing if it's going to double bottom bounce, right? Little bit. Not a ton yet.
I have a support line here, Coach, from about 3 weeks ago.
What's the level?
It's 664, 30, 35, where it's at right now.
Oh, I
and
got
then
you.
the next one is 663, 40.
Okay, thank you.
All day back about 2 weeks ago.
Thank you. Good
Yeah,
call.
that 663.50 is a little bit stronger line.
Okay, thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah, it is.
Thank you. And there's your double bottom bounce. There it is. Called out in real time. Am I right? Uh-huh. That's what we do, isn't it, ladies and gentlemen?
Only trade of the day there, Coach. 13.25%.
Oh, nice
On
job.
count.
Yes. Look at that bounce. Palm, look at that, right? That's why I want to make sure everybody hears the sound of my voice. Look at that beauty, right?
And I'm taking it right there.
Wow.
Yes, sir. That felt
Wow.
good too.
Woo. Now, I know those are scary, especially when it comes out of those bleeder candles like it did, right? And you're like, oh my gosh. Gang, the charts don't lie. Am I right?
That's true.
These hips don't lie. Look at.
Boy, they're a little interesting.
Come on, where are the roses on? Isn't this what the kids do to get the 1 penny roses? They sit there. Come on now. Coach doesn't get gifts like the pretty girls do on the TikToks machines. Coach don't get nothing. Why are you guys throwing donuts at me? They're probably throwing donut gifts instead of roses, right? Like, come on.
Oh, I'll take a donut over a rose.
Yeah, thank you. That's right. Look at that SPY double bottom bounce called live in front of all of your faces on a downward momentum move coming off of the largest bleeder candle of the day. Still double bottom bounce, A+ setup. How you like me now?
Apple's fixing a double top.
Thank you. Hold on, I got you. Hold on. I know. Thank you. Too kind. Too kind. I'll sign autographs after the show. After the show. Thank you. Appreciate you. David says, Onk doesn't read the TikTok chat. Yes, I do, David. I see you. Appreciate you. What's the if you guys have a question, we have 100 moderators over there if you need something. You didn't ask any questions. He said, oh my, let's go. I see you, David. David G. I'm on you. You better be throwing up some gifts.
Yes.
Coach was doing the dance for you. I was doing the TikTok dance to get the little roses. That's nice. Look at that. Moving all the way back up to that 660, 682, which was the pre-market low. Apple making higher highs. Apple now in a 6-star trade. 2-minute EWO to the upside. That's nice. You guys had a choppy, little rough morning over there. right? We called that double top over there on Apple. It pulled all the way back to around 268. And now she's climbing, looking real nice, staying above VWAP. All the things are a go, go, go. I like it.
Choppy day, coach, but mortgage met. I'm out.
Oh, nice. Good job. Good job. Nice work, partner. Good job.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
Love it. Love it, love it, love it.
And Coach, I would like to say too, kind of a culmination of things, but thank you, your training, Palm's guidance, and Doug and Mark, and thank you, Dawn, for reminding me of IWM. 3.2% total account in 45 seconds.
Oh, nice job. Good job, James. And thank you for helping everybody out too, man. I know they like having you in here. Good job.
Well, that's the other thing I would say is a major contribution to that. Finally being able to focus is being more active in the group, and especially now being a moderator and being more responsible for my actions. Thank you.
It helps, doesn't it?
Yes, sir.
There's a reason why our moderators, right? A lot of them
Thank
are
you for
finding
joining us,
crazy
Coach.
success. Think about it. Jesse, you got your hand up. Go ahead. Yeah, absolutely. Jesse, go.
Yeah, sorry to disturb you, Coach. I know it's not a lot, but I just made 86% on Apple. Thank you.
Oh my gosh. What'd you say? It's not a lot. That's amazing. Good job.
Thank you.
Love it. Jesse getting it done. Beautiful work. Anybody else make any money or do anything nice today? Let me know.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Just raise your hands. I want to see the hands raised. I want to call on you on this Friday at 10, 13, and 37 seconds. I want to hear you. It will forever be recorded for all of time. Who else? Anybody else make any money? Derek, go.
Yeah, Coach. Not a ton of money, but I'm in 3 separate EWOs on shares on Open, Ford, and WTI, and I'm green in all 3.
Yes, I love it. Good job. Good job. Listen, it's not about how much money you make. We've got people making millions of dollars, and we've got people paper trading. It's about getting into good trades, following the rules, executing the plan, right? Good job. RD, you got your hand up.
That counts.
Yep. RD, you got your hand up. Go ahead. Yeah, everything counts,
Yeah,
man.
$200 in 10 minutes, but then I had to step out.
Nice job. Who else would like to make $200 in 10 minutes? That's glorious. Good job.
That's what I did, Coach. I made that 13.25% on the count on that little spy pull, but it was $270, and I was only in it for what, 3-4 candles, so just 4 minutes.
Yeah, that's awesome. Could you ever believe that you'd be able to make that kind of money doing what we're doing, right?
No.
Yeah, that's amazing. Good job. Good
And
job.
a minimum wage worker had to work all day for that, not 10 minutes.
Oh, for sure. Oh my gosh. That's like a week's worth of work, right?
Well, I went and did a pressure washing job the other day for a church to help them out, and it took me 5 or 6 hours to make that same amount of money pressure washing. So,
yeah, you see what I mean? Instead of 10 minutes to click a couple of buttons, right?
Right.
Yeah, that's why I said, and this is why I tell you guys eventually, right? Once you're super successful and you're like, oh, I'll just power wash it myself. Are you serious? 6 hours of your time being wasted, right? Instead of you could have clicked a couple of buttons and, didn't have to drive there, didn't have to get all wet, right? Didn't have to clean up your tools, didn't you have to put them away? Then you got to drive home, right? Then you're tired, and then all the thing, and your back hurts, and
it does. How'd you know?
Because I've done all that stuff. I've done it all. I mean, my first job was construction at 14, right? I know. Trust me, I get it.
Yeah, 52 don't get any easier.
No. Yeah, hell no. 52, man. I'm struggle busting to get up the damn stairs. Why you guys say my office is downstairs now? Because I don't want to climb the stairs.
Yeah.
It's not that bad.
Give yourself a round of applause, Coach, for teaching us all this good stuff.
Thank you.
It's the sunlight.
Yeah.
Play your clapping hand clapping just for you.
There you go. For all of you.
Thank you, Coach, for all you do for us.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you for being here. Thank you for trusting what we're doing, right? That's awesome.
3.5 years, Coach.
Yes, that is beautiful. Beautiful. Scott made $1,032.80. Great job, Scott. Love it. Love it, love
Yeah,
it,
he's
love
been
it.
knocking it out lately.
Oh, he's been crushing it. Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
Yeah, Scott's been spanking the market.
And you know who else has been crushing it is doesn't get any love just because I don't think she talks, at least not in my group. Hold on, let me find it. LaShonda. Every day she's posting like almost $1,000 plus. Do you guys see that?
Yep. Yeah, she's been putting big numbers up.
Every
Yeah,
time.
Coach,
I'm
she's
like,
doing
wow.
she's doing amazing in futures.
Yeah, she's crushed. She made another $961.20. And then I think the day before was like 2,000 or 3,000. Like it's all the time. So good job to you. I don't know if you're in my room or not. Unless you're over there cheering on Go Blue in Mark's group.
She's hanging with the Kool-Aid kids.
Yeah, right. Drinking the blue Kool-Aid. That's why Mark's Kool-Aid is blue for Go Blue, in case you guys didn't know it. That's his subliminal messages for you guys to always make sure he knows Go Blue. Thank you. I just put 2 and 2 together. His little gif of him drinking the blue Kool-Aid is because he loves Michigan so much. You know what? I didn't even think about that. Right?
You think he'd be wanting to drink that red since Ohio State is red.
Well, apparently he
But he's got that blue at Michigan color. That's your color.
Dude, it's built in. That's nice. That's for you, Mark, for your team. Go Blue.
Oh, wait.
You know he hates
Coach,
that.
he's gonna come to your house and eat your steaks.
Oh, I love it. I love
That's gonna drive him nuts.
Oh, that's just the best. That's the best.
Getting another pull off that pre-market low, Coach, coming down to VWAP.
I see it. That's beautiful. It also tried to hit the 200 and pulled, right? Good job. Not sure where the best instrument to start is. Go to our website, American Dream Trading. Click on Join the Community. It's free. You can also try out the premium, free. Crypto, free. Futures, free. Try them out right now. You get a free week trial. Otherwise, Discord free forever. Watch us tune in to us 3 times a day, 9 to 11, 2 to 4, and 4 to 6. We're here every single day. We have been for over 3 years. This is the largest and fastest stock market community the world has ever seen before. Thank you all for being here. If you guys are futures traders and you want to check out our new partner over there on Tradeify, use the discount code ADT to get the best prices in the business. Appreciate all of you being here. Thank you. Having lots of fun here on this Friday. We've already heard a lot of people are making money. Has anybody else made any money today? Open your hand. I want to hear your stories today. Tell me now. Raise your hand. Anybody got any cool ADT stories? You told somebody at church. Next thing you know, they're a gazillionaire. Tell me what happened. Talk to me, Goose. Anybody?
$10
Tell
works,
me.
right?
Making bacon. Did you have something to say? Go.
No, I just said I made $10 so far.
Oh, nice job. Good
You
job.
know, come over to futures, you can make real money instead of hanging around this hack.
Oh no.
What is going on in this room? Playing all that dirty, stinking music, sad mouth and me. I literally just turned your feet on. Oh my god. I just turned my side and said, let's go check and see what Coach is talking about for a few minutes like we do every day. And this is the first thing I heard.
the right time.
Oh, that's awesome. Oh my gosh. The timing just couldn't have been any better, am I right?
Oh, it was perfect. As soon as I turned the volume on, that's the first thing I heard.
Oh, that's great. You know what? It's because we all came to the same conclusion that because your picture, your image of you drinking the Kool-Aid is blue, we put it all together. It's because you love the blue so much.
Well, I didn't pick that color. Somebody else did, but that's beside the
it
fact.
makes sense now. It makes absolute sense now, and we get it.
Hey, by the way, anybody wants to go blue group and learn how to make real money, you can come on with me. Come on over right now. You don't have to listen to this old guy on the interwebs here. Come over here where things are happening. People may fill up wheelbarrows with money this morning. We got 5 brakes trucks on the way. They're a little delayed due to traffic, but we're just going to pile the money up in the corner until they get here.
Yes, I love it.
I'm gonna hire that marching band to stand on his front lawn and play that.
Dude, that would be
hilarious.
amazing. Let me know.
I live in rural
Team
no
Chad.
neighbors. The band will never leave my property. Is all I can say.
They'll never leave my property.
Because I'll also hire caterers so they can stick around and have a barbecue on your front lawn.
For sure. Absolutely.
He will be planting them.
Yes, I love it.
By the way, I don't know if you've got around to mentioning the really good thing is that if you want to check out the Future Group, where we're killing it every single day, count changing days, day in, day out. These folks here are just clicking and hitting it like hotcakes.
I love it.
We do have a free 7-day trial with all the full benefits of a paid membership. You can try out. Go over to our website, American Dream Trading.
That's
Go
awesome.
click on that membership. You'll find a 7-day free trial. Or you can just skip this free stuff and go straight to a full paid membership. Come on over. We got a fresh batch of Kool-Aid for you today. I'm out.
That's
See you, bye.
Thank you.
Coach,
We appreciate
David
you, brother.
Kool-Aid.
Yes.
Coach David just commended us to let you know how we're doing in the Zoom. So I'm like 72% on 5 earnings on Apple.
Oh my gosh, you guys hear that? Yes. Yes.
Yep,
Love
same
it.
position, 60, 70%, one runner left.
73 right now. 73.
Yes. Nice job, Reg and Ofer. I appreciate you guys. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Oh, Coach, you're the best. I gotta go.
See you, Mark. We appreciate you. By the way, Mark, we need to get one of your steer links loaded up. One of our members needs one of your steer links. He's got no internet access.
Oh, it sucks to be him. You
David needs it.
Yeah, David needs it. Can we lease one of your steer links off
Well,
your
what do
property?
you teach our members from day one for over 3 years daily live, Coach? Always have a backup device.
That's right.
Aren't you guys that's got like 5 different cell carriers? So one of them, if 4 out of 5 of them blow up, you can still make a cell call, right? Always have a backup device that includes internet. How much money does that cost you today? Boy, I bet it ain't
Get
about
off. What is in that Kool-Aid?
your backup
Dude,
device.
it's the
Oh,
blue.
wait.
Here, hold on.
real.
I got him. Hold on, I got him. Hold on. I'll take care of it.
Okay, switch this fully for Red Bull.
Fight.
Oh my God.
Did you get the espresso machine today?
Oh,
All right,
This candle can bring
we're
back
live over here together.
Wait, Mark, if I could get one of your steer links, can I like take a section of the back hind quarter and do it as a barbecue?
Well, the problem is then your dish gets misaligned and then you don't get no interwebs.
Oh damn!
No
You gotta have
interwebs.
the 4 legs. Keep that thing aligned.
Yep.
Can't eat the cow link.
Palm, what did you send him today, man? Did you hype him up on like some nerd candies and Coca-Cola or what? He's all fired up over there.
We're all fired up over here. If you guys want to see what real money looks like, come over here to the futures.
Yes.
Come on.
Show us.
Come on, we'll show you how to do it.
Show us,
Palm,
Big Daddy.
Palm, we can show you how to make real money, buddy. Come on over.
Oh boy. Might be talking to the wrong person on that one, but I hear
Oh,
you.
yeah. He don't know what real money is like. He's made with Monopoly money all the time.
No, good job. Good
Hey,
job.
Coach.
Yes.
If you want to come over, I learned this stuff from an old guy on the interwebs. On the Tiki Talks, taught me a whole bunch of stuff. Come on over. We'll teach you what he taught us.
Absolutely.
We'll show you how to make real money, too.
I appreciate that. You missed it, by the way. We came up with our brand new indicators called DOS.
DOS? Why are they called that?
They're dumbass indicators that people are still trying to put on their screen. We don't have those here.
No, we don't.
We don't have those.
Next week, DOS 2.0.
We don't have
DOS
shit.
2.0.
Hey, last parting words. Listen to the sound of Coach's voice.
Yours too,
He's got
man.
33 years of experience. The man you're listening to for free knows what he's talking about.
Appreciate you.
Goodbye.
Appreciate you. See ya. Listen to his voice too, man. He's crushing it over there for reals. He's doing a great job. Appreciate you, Mark. I don't care what Palm says. You're a great guy. We appreciate you.
Oh, I got tire tracks on my face.
Oh my!
The bus just ran over me.
Wheels are the best go fat top. That's nice. That's
It's
nice.
so fun to hear millionaires trash talk each other.
Oh, I know it, right? I absolutely love it. You know what? You know what my favorite part is? Can you guys hear, right, how excited and happy they are though every day? Like, what a demeanor change of everybody having a great time and living their lives. Am I right? I love that.
Absolutely.
That's my favorite
It's the
part.
American dream, Coach.
It is. I mean, freedom of time is what we're all after, right? And both of them have nothing but time now. Am I right? Oh,
Yep.
nice. Good job, Rockin' USA. Certified funded trader right there. Yes. Just passed his prop firm. Nice job, Rockin' USA. He says, thank you, Coach. The training I got from you and the moderators in the group, thanking individually Doug, Palm, and the whole team. You're amazing. Had to change the name because I had the real name. Yeah, absolutely. Good job. Good job. Love seeing that. Prop firm passed. Nice work.
Who was that? Sorry.
Rockin' USA. Good job. Speaking of prop firms, don't forget, if you guys want to sign up, go over to Tradeify. 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 Use the discount code ADT. Get it. Get it.
Dude, I love how we just celebrate everyone's wins in this thing. We're all growing together, man.
For
It's
sure.
awesome.
100%. 100%. You know, think about it. 3 years ago, right? There was no like success stories. We didn't have any of that. It's all been built from here, right? The people you're hearing, all these millionaires you're hearing, they weren't millionaires before this, right? This is the thing. This is what's beautiful about this is all the stories and success is that everybody it's been from here. All the training and education you're getting is right here. This is where it started. And now they are training and educating all of you, which is even better because now we have so many people with so much success helping, right? It's not just the old man in the room for 16 hours a day like I used to do literally every single day. Now I've trained so many amazing, talented, beautiful people, and now you get it from everywhere. Am I right? In the beginning, it was just me. Like, hey, we can do this, right? We got this. Come on. I swear, I'm showing you a new thing. I'm telling you, it's going to be amazing. And everybody's like, yeah, I guess I'll sign up for his $50 or $500 lifetime. I guess we'll see what he's doing, right? That was the beginning. Am I right?
It was a little quiet.
Yeah, it was quiet. Success wasn't built yet. It wasn't, the things. It was just me, like answering questions all day, every day, telling you I have a dream. We can do this. It's going to happen. People are going to be successful. We're going to change lives. We're going to help so many people in here. Sure. Sure you are, old
Yeah,
man.
but you know what turned it around, Coach?
All of
Initially,
you.
we had your back of your head when we were watching.
That's right. Yeah, that's even.
Now you're facing us.
That's even better. Think about that. That's what you had before was just the back of my head, right?
Yeah.
That's where we've come from. It's crazy. It's so exciting to have you all here. It really is. It's a blessing to me, my family, right? You guys helped me, and in turn, I was able to retire my mother-in-law, so she doesn't work until the day she dies. Right, I was able to move my son closer to us. He got married. You guys gifted him stuff so that, right, young Air Force family, you guys gifted and helped him out. By the way, he's taken that money, right, and it's sitting in his Robinhood account, and it's continuing to grow. So thank you guys, all of that. So you helped a young family out. I mean, this is it. And we've given away millions of dollars in discounts, sales, memberships, donations, GoFundMes, right? All the stuff that we've done, it's all come from all of you being here and doing what we're doing, right? So I really do. I appreciate everybody that's being a part of this. It's just absolutely crazy and incredible what we've done in 3 short years. I can't wait to see where we're going to be in 10, 20, 30 years from now We're just getting started, man. This is amazing. What we're doing is not like anything I've ever been a part of. And I've been a part of some really cool stuff and startups and companies and boards and, committees and all. I have never, ever, ever seen this many people like-minded trying to help each other out in a real community. This is what it's all about. So I thank all of you every day. I've been so blessed since doing this. Right? We came from hardship. We both lost our jobs literally within 30 days of each other. We didn't know what we were going to do at that time, right? I was going to take another IT job. I was like, oh my gosh, here we go, right? With job I didn't want to do, coming from a vice president, running a company, running my own companies, right? To have to go take a job that I didn't want to do. My wife's like, get online. She's like, people will love you. Get online. It doesn't matter. Get online. Do it. Get online. That was my wife pushing me. Like, get on there. Get on TikTok. I'm like, TikTok, that's for the cute girls. They dance. And nobody's going to watch this old man. What's that going to do, right? Here we are. Here we are today, right? And Humble Pie, look, I told you guys, right? When we both lost our jobs, I still have this in front of me. Look, right? When we used to deliver food, I would say, hey, is it okay if we get a fortune cookie? These came out of those, right? And this will always remind me of what happened when we both lost our jobs. We both went to delivering full time, right? I had to, right, do whatever I had to do for our family. It didn't matter. 7 days a week, literally in a car, doing the things, right? You want to talk about humbling, by the way, coming from a 6-figure income. And before that, I was a multi-millionaire of my own companies. And then I took a lot of time off. I took about 1.5 years off. Then I was a vice president for 5 years. Then we lost our jobs and all the things, right? You want to talk about Humble Pie from where I came, and then I'm door dashing, right? And now look where I'm at again, multi, way more than ever expected, right? We're now an 8-figure company. Did you guys know that? We are one of the we are one of the most successful startups in U.S. history. Did you guys know that? We're a top 1% startup company in America right now. That's because of you guys. But it came from here. I wanted more, and I will do whatever it takes. I will work my butt off all the time, but I will never forget where I came from. And the reason I was able to do this after and not worrying about what people thought about me is because I came from nothing to start with. When you come from nothing, right, you're able to stomach things that most people cannot do. All I know is I must do whatever I have to do and make sure my family is taken care of, period, point blank, forever. It's all here. Everything you guys need is here. I've done the same thing you guys have done. I've had nothing and I've had millions. I've literally gone from rock bottom to a top 0.1% of the world for income. 0.1, not 1, 0.1%. High school kid, dropout, not because I wanted to, because I was trying to survive, right? It wasn't about education and books. It was trying not to get pew-pewed on my way to class every day, right? Living in Flint, Michigan, in Beecher. If you don't know what that is, go look up Flint Beecher if you want to find out where I grew up. It's ranked number 2, I think, highest crime right now per capita in the world. Country, not world. Always has been for decades, right? It's everything we have. You guys can do this. If a kid from nothing can be sitting in front of you showing people literally how to make hundreds of millions of dollars, you can do it too, right? It's in you. We're all here. God put me here for a reason. All the stuff I've gone through, the coaching, training people, mentorships, right? Leadership, all the stuff that I grinded through put me right here at this time, humbly before all of you, so that you guys can live a better life. Am I right? Yes, I've been trading the whole time, but it's not like I'm making millions of dollars of trading. I've just been trading, right? I don't know if you guys know this or not, but not everybody's making millions of dollars as a trader. Am I right? right?
That's right, Coach.
Yeah, it's. I mean, by the way, I've lost more money I think than probably everybody in the room trading since training, because my mind is always on training instead of trading, right? So it's not like,
Yes,
oh,
sir.
trading is the answer. Not always, right? You have to put it first. And I had to come to the realization that I have to be a trainer first, not a trader. So everybody else you guys are watching, they're traders first. That's why they don't have the experience of training. My whole life, I have been a trainer and a coach. That's why I believe we have the edge. My gift is training you, coaching you up, not trading. Well, how much have you made, coach? I haven't made shit, right? Since I've been doing this, I haven't made shit trading. I really haven't. But all my money comes from training. Would you guys rather I was making all my money from trading while you sat here and watched, or if all my money came from training, which you pay for training so that you are the ones making the money? I want you to think about that. And that is where we are all different out here. If you look at anybody else, they're only doing it for themselves while you get to watch. I do this for you, and I just click the button so you can see how to do it. Does that make sense? That's the difference.
Which explains why you've created over 14 millionaires and they haven't.
1,000,000%. Yeah, my job is to train and educate all of you. My job is not to make money in the market. That has nothing to do with it. Telling you, if you pulled my stuff, you'd be like, holy shit, this guy's lost so much money. I have. Because again, my job is to train you, not to be a trader, right? And I hope you guys understand that. I really hope you understand that. That is the difference between myself and what we're doing in this room, right? Than anybody else. So you come first. You will always come first here. Always and forever. American Dream Trading is about you. It's not about me. I hope you understand that. It's people helping people. Will I make money? You guys will help lift me up as you go up? Absolutely. Right? But it is my job as your leader to help all of you, and then you will bring me up with you, right? That's how it's supposed to be. Not the other way around where you see all the kids in the Lambos and doing all the things. That's not it, Chief. I want to bring all of you up, and then you will bring me up with you. So I appreciate you all being here. Listen, I'm going to take off. I appreciate everybody so much. I really do. I hope you understand that, right? I know I haven't talked about it in a while. I thank you every day, but when you hear the same thing every day, it's just like, yeah, okay. It's kind of like, right, when you tell your loved one every day, I love you, and they're like, yeah, okay, right? The meaning kind of goes away when you hear it all the time, but I need you to understand how much I appreciate each and every one of you, from my moderators down to free members, down to a person today who just ran into us for the first time. If you're taking time out of your day, because time is the most precious commodity you will ever have in your life, if you are taking time out of your day to hang out with us, I really and truly do appreciate you. So speaking of appreciation, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Dom, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, James, Eminem, Gilly, Andy, Soldan. And as always and forever, as long as I have, right, air in my lungs, thank you to all of our military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, without them, we have nothing. Same thing with our first responders. When the whole world was trying to cancel and defund everything, we were the light in the darkness, still making sure they know how much we appreciate them. So thank you to all my police officers, firefighters, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Appreciate you all. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you,
Coach.
guys. Everybody,
I have
God
a
bless.
question before you leave, if that's okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
First off, I want to say I'm green for the week and green for the day, and I've shared your YouTubes and your inspiration to at least 2 people this week. And I always love to comment and rewatch the videos, as I can't always trade in the middle of the week.
Thank you.
But I'm here on Fridays trying to support the team as much as I can, and on Tuesdays. And today I had a 20% total account on Apple,
Nice.
and then I have a question on Nvidia.
All right, I'll let them answer that as soon as I get out of here, unless it's quick.
It was just more like what I on the long term. I'm sorry, in the big time frame, it looks like a cup and handle. I'm sorry, like a cup, inverted cup.
I'll let the
So I was just-
moderators handle that as soon as I walk out of the room. Yep.
You got it, Coach.
I'm losing my voice. Like, all right, is that it? Anybody else?
Love you, Coach.
No,
Thank you, Coach.
Appreciate
you.
Thank you.